Affiliate Marketing Sales Blueprint. All right, listen up. Most people treat blueprints like they're some boring IKEA instruction manual. That's a mistake. What we're looking at here is the literal psychological architecture of how money moves from their pocket to yours. This isn't a theory, it's the literal map to winning the game. We aren't here to try things out or look busy with spreadsheets. We're here to engineer a system that works while you're out living your life. Why beginners fail. Now let's be real for a second. Most people who start this fail miserably. Why? Because they're chasing magic buttons and doing the exact same Me Too garbage as everyone else. They treat this like a hobby, and hobbies cost you money. If you want different results, you have to stop following the herd and learn where the landmines are hidden. Here is the big secret the fake gurus won't tell you. The real goal isn't just posting links and grabbing a quick buck. If that's your plan, you've already lost. The goal is to help people solve real problems with effective solutions. When you become a solution provider instead of a link spammer, the money follows you forever. Identify one problem. Focus on the pain points of beginners. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you must deeply understand what your audience is struggling with. Focus on one specific problem, like why beginners aren't making sales, and build everything around solving that. Choose the right product. Deep dive. To succeed, you've got to get obsessed. You need to understand the product so deeply it's actually scary. If you don't know the soul of what you're selling, your audience will smell the BS from a mile away. Stop boring everyone with features. Sell the result. Show them the transformation and the magic they're actually buying. Educate, don't sell. Quit trying to pitch people like some desperate salesman. Shift your mindset from selling to teaching. If you show someone you can solve their problem by actually solving a piece of it for free, they'll trust you forever. When you're the ultimate authority, the selling part just takes care of itself. Pick one platform. Stop trying to be everywhere at once. It's the fastest way to stay broke. Pick one single honey hole and dominate it until you're the only person they care about. Focus your efforts on one channel that fits your vibe, plant your flag, and build a real bond with your tribe. Build trust in simple funnels. People buy from people they trust. Share your personal struggles and the brutal lessons you've learned to create a magnetic connection. And for heaven's sake, keep your tech simple. You need a simple funnel that guides people from free value to a purchase by being a helpful friend in their inbox. Track and improve. If you aren't tracking your numbers, you don't have a business. You have an expensive hobby. You've got to obsess over clicks and signups. The data is the only thing that doesn't lie to you. Watch what's happening, kill what's tanking, and pour gasoline on what's working. Look, quit trying to reinvent the wheel. Join Affiliate Bootcamp and use this 99% done-for-you system from a 9-figure earner. Why struggle with the how-to when the heavy lifting is already finished? Click below to begin. P.S. The doors won't stay open forever. Grab the system that's proven to work before it's gone.